Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify to Wix website. So basically what you're going to have to do is simply go to the add app section, and then here you're going to have to simply search for Shopify. So simply search for Shopify, and then what you're going to have to do next is simply click on Pokey, this on here. So basically with this app you're going to be able to import your Shopify products, and as you can see you're going to get 2-day free trial. So simply click on add to site, and basically now what you're going to have to do is simply connect your Shopify account, and basically that's it. So as you can see here, you're going to have to simply copy one product. Now if you want, you can simply import multiple products. So as you can see, enter the URL of Shopify store, and then you're going to have to click on load products, and then you're going to have the option to import all of them. So basically that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.